So right now, I am going to show you how you can make exactly the kind of video you just watched right now. So I'll take you step by step and I will teach you how you can make these same videos with free AI tools. You don't need to spend a dime to make such videos. There are free AI tools you can use to achieve such creativity. So without wasting much of your time, I will have to show you how to do that. First thing you need to do, you need to take a picture of yourself, just like this one here. I took this picture with my Samsung A05. As you can see, the image is very poor. The brightness is very dull and it's not of a good quality. So, but I am going to enhance this image while making this tutorial. So just take a picture of yourself, raising your hands up, just like you can see in this screen. Once you are done with that, then come to your ChatGPT. Come to your ChatGPT. If you don't have ChatGPT, just create one for yourself. This is the website link, or you can download their app from your Play Store or Apple Store. Sign up with them and then proceed. Once you do that, then what you need to do is come here, click on this plus icon here, click on this plus icon, and then you upload the image you took with your phone, which is this. Select it and then you upload. Once you upload that image, then you type in this simple prompt here. Just very simple. You don't need to be a prompt engineer to be able to achieve this. So just type this simple prompt. Give me a prompt. Okay, this is the prompt right now. Give me a prompt I will use on Nano Banana to make the raised hand of this person in this image to be on flame like VFX and also to enhance the image. So when you do that, ChatGPT will give you a prompt you use on Nano Banana. So these are the tools you'll be needing to achieve this this creativity. First, you need ChatGPT. Secondly, you need a Gmail account, and then you need a CapCut a video editor or any video editor to merge your videos or your clips together to form uh, a good and engaging video. So why you need a Gmail account is to be able to sign up with Google Flow. In Google Flow, you will get Nano Banana VO3 and some other amazing tools there. So we will be using the free versions of it. It also has a pro and advanced version, but we don't need that right now. We'll be using the free version of it. It's enough for us. So once you do that, once you do that, then copy the prompt the ChatGPT gave to you. This is the prompt here. Just copy it and then head over to your browser again, just like this. So I'm going to use a fresh browser. So what you need to just tap Google Flow, Google Flow. Just type it and then search. Then click on this first one here, Google Flow. As you can see right now, just click on this Great with Flow, Great with Flow. So if you are using it for the first time, it's going to ask you to as it's going to take you through this process to sign up. So if you are interested in any of this, you can check them. If you are not interested in any of them, you can just click on next and then move on to the next. Then here you just need to accept. You can go through the privacy policy, then click on continue, and then we are done signing up with the workflow. So next thing is to click on this new project here. get started. So here, from here, you can select whichever tools you want to use. Than, Nano Banana 2, Nano Banana Pro, or Imagine 4. You can also choose the dimensions you want, the video or image dimensions you want, whichever one. So, but I'll be using 16:9, which is meant for YouTube videos, which is meant for YouTube videos most especially. But if you are interested in making videos for TikTok and the rest, then you can make use of this 916. But I'll be using this. Then if you want to make videos, you switch to video, and then you can select which any of the listing you want here, either frames or ingredients, and then you can select the dimensions as well. So, but first we need to generate the image before we make the video. So let's leave it at that image. So let's select. I'll be using the Nano Banana Pro. It's also free. So I won't be required to make any payments. So once you select that, if you can, you can allow the image to generate at least two images at once. So that you'll be able to choose, compare, and choose the one you like, then download. So keep it at times two, and then you upload the image you took with your phone. So this is the image. I am going to upload this image right now. Good. So now I am going to paste the prompt I got from ChatGPT, or the prompt ChatGPT gave me. So I am going to copy it and then paste that prompt here, and then watch this Nano Banana do the magic. It is going to enhance the image, and it's going to give me exactly what I want. So, and here our image is ready right now. So I just have to compare the two of them, see which one is more better. The images are good, but I would prefer to take this very one here because of the flames. The flames almost got the whole hands, or covered the whole hands, but here it's just within the fist. So I'm going to use this very one here. So what I need to do is click on download. Okay, download, and wait for it to download. So while waiting for it to download, you also head over to ChatGPT also again, and then you ask ChatGPT also to give you a prompt to convert the generated picture to video with Google View 3. The person should look at his hand and then look at the camera and smile. No talking, just flames. So if you are not okay with this prompt, you can describe to ChatGPT what you want the video to, or the image to do. Just explain, just give a detailed explanations to ChatGPT, and then it will give you the prompt you will use, and your tray is going to make that video exactly what you want it to, exactly the kind of person, exactly the prompt you gave it, and your tray is going to convert that image to exactly the prompt you gave it. So if you are not okay with this, you can tweak it and then give it whatever you want it to do. So I am going to copy this. Okay, now. So once you send this, ChatGPT will give you a prompt to convert the image to video. then go back to go back to Google Flow and then switch to video. Now I am going to only generate only one, not no longer two, because it's is to generate video you need it is going to deduct 20 credits from you, 20 credits from you. So if I am going to generate two, it's going to charge me 40 credits, and there I am trying to manage my credits. So okay, leave it at your 3.1 fast, 0.1 fast. Then here I am going to upload the image I just downloaded. So okay, there's okay, yeah, let me select this one and then paste the prompt here and then click on send and watch VO3 do its wonders. Google VO3 is done generating the video. So this is exactly the video you watched initially. So this is it. It's very simple. There is no big deal about it. There's really no big deal about this. So now let's head over to the next video, which is this very one. I'm also going to show you how to do it. Very simple. So first thing we need to start the process all over again, just like the one we did first. So yeah, okay, there's no all right, let me just use a new Canva. So yeah, when we switch it to images, then to and then we select we have to upload the image or we have to select the image, and then once you are done uploading the image or selecting the image, so you just have to go head over to ChatGPT again and then give ChatGPT this prompt here using the same image I uploaded first. I want the person to hold a sword lead while he is looking at it. Just give me the prompt. I'll be using Nano Banana. You have to be very, very specific, because if you don't add this part here, if you don't instruct it to just give it a prompt, it is going to generate the image itself, just like this one here. It did. So all you need to do is just give it this command that let it just give you the prompt. So copy this prompt it gave you and then head over to Nano Banana, paste prompt, and then click on send and wait for Nano Banana to generate the image for you. So if you like this video, like if you got value and you would like me to make more videos like this to teach you how to make um, videos like this, kindly like, subscribe, and then leave a comment in the comment section. It will really go a long way for me. So thank you as I wait for your comments. I'll be there to answer your questions. So let's wait for Nano Banana to generate the image for us. So here is the image. So if you take a good look at this image Nano Banana generated, is much more better than the one ChatGPT generated. This doesn't look like me. It doesn't look like me at all. So, but this is exactly like me. There is no addition and there is no subtraction. This me. So I will be using this very one here and not this. I'll be using this. So next thing we need to do is to convert this very image to video. So let's switch to video again and then leave it at 1x. And then, so while you are waiting for it to download, kindly subscribe, like, like the video, and leave your questions in the comment section. I will be there to answer you. So we are done downloading. What we need to do right now is to upload. Alright, let me just select instead of uploading. But let me just use this prompt it gave me already to convert it to video. We are done generating the video. So this is it. Mind you, I didn't um, specify what I wanted it to do. I only just copied this very prompt here. ChatGPT gave me to generate the image to convert it to video. So if you want the video to do something else, maybe fight or anything you want it to do, give you just have to explain it to ChatGPT and then it will give you a perfect prompt to make such kind of video. So once you are done, you can now download them and then head over to CapCut to merge these clips together to form a viral video or a good scene. If you can't afford CapCut or you want something else, you can also use Canva is a free tool. It also has a paid version, but the free version of it is enough for a starter or a beginner. So if you got value and you love what I just teach you right now, kindly do me a favor by liking this video, subscribing, and if possible, share it to your friends. Thank you.